video we are going to learn equation of plane passing through point and parallel to two vectors and equation of plane passing through 3 points. So two vectors b bar and c bar are parallel to the plane and a fixed point A with position vector a bar is given which lies in the plane. Now b bar and c bar, they are parallel to the plane. So b bar cross c bar is perpendicular to the plane. We know that cross product is always perpendicular to both the vectors. So b bar cross c bar now, it is normal to the plane. So, and A is a fixed point in the plane, r bar is any point in the plane. R with position vector r bar is any point in the plane. That means AR bar lies in the plane and B bar cross C bar is perpendicular to plane. So two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. So AR bar dot B bar cross C bar is 0. Now this is R bar minus A bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to 0. So R bar dot B bar cross C bar minus A bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to 0. So R bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So this is vector equation of the plane. To find the Cartesian equation, write R bar as xi plus yj plus zk and you will get the Cartesian form of the equation. So let's solve some questions based on this equation. The question given is find the vector equation and Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the point minus 2, 7, 5 and parallel to the vectors 4 I cap minus j cap plus 3 k cap and I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So point in the plane is given. So let that point be A minus 2, 7, 5. Two vectors parallel to the plane are given. So let P bar be first vector 4i minus j plus 3k and C bar bi plus j plus k. Now vector equation is R bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So let's find out B bar cross C bar first. So B bar cross C bar equal to determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. Now B bar 4 minus 1 3, C bar 1 1 1 equal to I cap minus 1 minus 3 minus j cap 4 into 1 minus 1 into 3, that is 4 minus 3 plus k cap 4 minus minus plus 1. So that is minus 4 I cap. This is 1 multiplied by minus j cap is minus j cap plus 5 k cap. So we have B bar cross C bar now. B bar cross C bar is minus 4 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap. Now in the right hand side we have A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So let's find out the dot product and then we will write the equation. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. A bar is minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k dot minus 4i cap minus j cap plus 5k cap. So this is minus 2 into minus 4, then 7 into minus 1 plus 5 into 5. So that is 8 minus 7 plus 25. Now 8 minus 7 is 1 plus 25 is 26. Now first of all let's write the vector equation. Vector equation of the plane is vector equation of the plane is R bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So first write the formula. Now substitute B bar cross C bar and value of A bar dot B bar cross C bar. B bar cross C bar is minus 4 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap, and this dot product is 26. So this is vector equation. Now to write the Cartesian equation, just put r bar as x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap dot minus 4 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap equal to 26. That is minus 4x minus y plus 5z equal to 26. So minus 4x minus y plus 5z minus 26 equal to 0. So if you want x to be positive, multiply all the terms by minus 1. So sign changes of 4x plus y. Now this becomes minus 5z and this is plus 26. So this is the Cartesian form of equation of the plane. And this is vector form. So whenever a point is given and two vectors parallel to the plane are given, then equation is r bar dot b bar cross c bar equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Now consider this question. Find the Cartesian equation of the plane r bar equal to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap plus lambda multiplied by I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus mu into I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. So whenever equation of plane is given like this, so what is the meaning? The meaning is that this point lies in the plane. So the point in the plane is given. It is 5 minus 2 minus 3. Lambda multiplied by b bar, mu multiplied by c bar. That means the plane is parallel to b bar and c bar. So b bar is I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and c bar is I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Okay. So equation of vector equation is r bar dot b bar cross c bar equal to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. So let's find out b bar cross c bar first. B bar cross c bar, determinant I cap j cap k cap 1 1 1, c bar is 1 minus 2 3. Expansion is I cap 3 minus minus plus 2 minus j cap 3 minus 1 plus k cap minus 2 minus 1. So this is 5 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap. Now find the dot product. A bar dot b bar cross c bar. 5 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap dot 5 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap. See, we are getting the same terms here. So this is 5 into 5 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus minus 3 into minus 3. So that is 25 plus 4 plus 9. 25 plus 4 is 29 plus 9 is 38. So vector equation, this is also vector equation, but now we are writing as r bar dot. So vector equation is r bar dot. Always it's better to write the formula. So first write the formula. Now substitute b bar cross c bar and value of a bar dot b bar cross c bar. So r bar dot b bar cross c bar is 5 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap equal to 38. But the Cartesian form is asked. So Cartesian equation. So in that case we have to write r bar as x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap dot 5I minus 2j minus 3k equal to 38. That is 5x minus 2y minus 3z minus 38 equal to 0. So this is the Cartesian form. But remember that whenever equation of the plane is given like this, lambda and then mu, so this point lies on the plane and these two vectors are parallel to the plane. Okay. Now last form of equation of plane is equation of plane passing through 3 points A, B and C with position vectors A bar, B bar and C bar respectively. So let's consider a plane. So let this be plane and 3 points are given. So A, B and C are 3 points in the plane and their position vectors are given. Okay, so these 3 are fixed point. Let R be any point in the plane with position vector R bar. Now let's join AR bar, AB bar and AC bar. Now these 3 vectors AR bar, AB bar and AC bar, now they are coplanar vectors. Coplanar vector means what? Their scalar triple product is 0. So let's write that. So scalar triple product is AR bar, AB bar, AC bar equals to 0 as they are coplanar vectors. That means AR bar dot AB bar cross AC bar equal to 0. Now AR bar is R bar minus A bar dot AB bar cross AC bar equal to 0. R bar dot AB bar cross AC bar and next term is minus A bar dot AB bar cross A bar. So let's write that term to the right hand side. So A bar dot AB bar cross AC bar. Or you can say if we consider AB bar and AC bar, their cross product is perpendicular to the plane. So it is normal to the plane. So instead of n bar in the previous one, we have given B bar and C bar. So instead of that, now we have AB bar and AC bar. Just like that. To find the Cartesian equation, write R bar as xi plus yj plus zk. So this is vector equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Let's solve one question based on this equation. Find vector equation and Cartesian equation of the plane passing through 3 points 1 minus 2 1, 2 minus 1 minus 3, 0 1 5. So let first point be A, 1 minus 2 1. Let B be 2 minus 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1 minus 3, C 0 1 5. Now equation of the plane is R bar dot AB bar cross AC bar equal to A bar dot AB bar cross AC bar. So in both the sides we require AB bar cross AC bar. So let's find out AB bar and AC bar first and then their cross product. AB bar is B bar minus A bar. That is 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 minus minus plus 2 becomes 1 again. Minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. AC bar is C bar minus A bar. C is 0 1 5 minus A is 1 minus 2 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus minus plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Now we have AB bar and AC bar. So let's find out their cross product. So AB bar cross AC bar. AB bar cross AC bar equal to determinant I cap, J cap, K cap. 1, 1 minus 4. AC bar minus 1, 3, 4 equal to I cap 4 minus minus plus 12, then minus J cap 4 minus 4. So this becomes 0 plus K cap 3 minus minus plus 1. So this is 16 I cap minus 0 bar plus 4 k cap. 4 minus 4 is 0, but we are multiplying 0 by a vector, so that becomes 0 vector. Let's take 4 common. So this is 4i plus k now, which is AB bar cross AC bar. In the right hand side of the equation, we have A bar dot AB bar cross AC bar. So let's find out that. Now A bar is I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap dot AB bar cross AC bar. So that is 4 into 4 I cap plus k cap. So let's write this 4 as it is. Now coefficients of I are 1 and 4 here, so their product. Term in j is not here, so coefficient is 0. So 0 multiplied by this number is also 0. The next one is 1 into 1. So this is 4 multiplied by 4 plus 1, that is 5. So it is 20. Now vector form of the equation of plane. Vector equation is R bar dot AB bar cross AC bar equal to A bar dot AB bar cross AC bar. So R bar dot 4 into 4i plus k, and this is 20. So we can divide both sides by 4. So the vector form is R bar dot 4i cap plus k cap equal to 5. So this is vector form. And Cartesian form, x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap dot 4i plus k equal to 5. So 4x plus z minus 5 equal to 0 is the Cartesian form. Okay. This is your today's assignment. Find a vector and Cartesian equation of the plane passing through point A, 1 minus 5, 1, and parallel to the given vectors B bar and C bar, and passing through 3 points. So use the equations, correct equations, and find the equation of the plane. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video.